Welcome to Dream on Wheels today. We're taking a closer look at the Pössl Vario 545, a compact campervan built around smart design, adaptability, and practical living, all within a footprint that's easy to drive and easy to manage. In this video, we'll go through everything from its exterior design and interior layout to the kitchen, sleeping setup, and what it actually feels like on the road. From the outside, the Vario 545 immediately presents itself as a compact and highly manageable campervan. Its shorter length is one of its biggest advantages. It makes driving through narrow streets, urban areas, and tight parking spaces noticeably easier compared to larger models. The design is clean and purposeful. It doesn't try to stand out with aggressive styling. Instead, it focuses on functionality and ease of use. The sliding side door provides quick access to the living area. Making it practical for everyday use, large side windows allow natural light to enter, helping the interior feel more open despite the compact size. At the rear, the double doors open wide, giving access to the storage and sleeping area. This makes loading gear and organizing travel essentials simple and efficient. Overall, the exterior reflects what this campervan is about: compact, practical, and easy to live with. Step inside, and the focus shifts immediately to how efficiently the space is used. Despite its smaller size, the layout feels organized and purposeful at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to form a compact lounge area. This creates a functional space for sitting, dining, or simply relaxing. The table is designed to be practical without taking up unnecessary room. Everything here is built around usability. Nothing feels excessive and nothing feels missing. Natural light from the windows enhances the sense of openness during the day, while interior lighting creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere in the evening. This is a space designed to feel simple but effective. Moving into the kitchen, the design continues with a focus on efficiency. The setup is compact, but everything is placed within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and a sink, allowing you to prepare meals while traveling. The countertop space is limited, but it's designed to be used smartly. Storage is integrated through cabinets and drawers, providing space for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. A refrigerator is also included, giving you the ability to store fresh food and extend your trips. This kitchen is built for practical, everyday use, simple, reliable, and easy to manage. One of the key aspects of the Vario 545 is its flexible sleeping arrangement. The bed setup is designed to adapt depending on how you use the space. Whether configured as a sleeping area or folded away to create more room during the day, it offers versatility. The mattress provides adequate support, ensuring a comfortable rest after a day of travel because of the compact size. The design focuses on making the most of available space rather than maximizing size. Storage is integrated around the sleeping area, helping keep everything organized. This flexibility is what makes the campervan practical for different types of travel. Due to its compact size, the Vario 545 focuses more on flexibility rather than a fully fixed bathroom layout. Depending on configuration, it may include portable or space-saving solutions for daily needs. This approach keeps the interior more open and adaptable. While it may not offer a full built-in bathroom like larger campervans, it prioritizes space efficiency and usability. This makes it ideal for travelers who prefer a simpler setup or rely on external facilities when needed. Moving into the cockpit, the compact nature of the campervan becomes a major advantage. The driver and passenger seats are comfortable and supportive. Suitable for both short drives and longer journeys, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. With controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver, the instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media. Large front windows offer good visibility, making driving feel more controlled and less stressful. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living space, adding flexibility. What makes the Vario 545 stand out is how naturally it fits into everyday travel. It doesn't try to offer everything. Instead, It focuses on offering exactly what's needed in a way that feels simple and manageable. You have a compact space that's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to live in. This makes it especially suitable for urban travel, short trips, and flexible journeys. It's a campervan that adapts to your travel style rather than forcing you to adapt to it. The Pössl Vario 545 is built around one key idea: flexibility. It's not about maximizing space. It's about using space intelligently, and that's what makes it practical, efficient, and easy to use in real-world travel. The Pössl Vario 545 offers a compact and adaptable campervan experience, focusing on usability, flexibility, and everyday practicality. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.